Okay, so before I get carried away again by family love and all that gist, my favorite part of the movie was when they sat around the table. It was all family, Genevieve, the main character, her father, her mother, brother, uncle, and aunt. Ha nọ ebe a na-ele nri n'elu tebụl. Ha wee were Igbo. Ha sụpụrụ Igbo, my God, n'isi. So they just dissected it. Tupu efu ndị mmadụ ha nọdụ, ọ tupu efu onye Igbo, o were Igbo sụgide Igbo ma nye tinye n'oyibo na ya. Ọ na-afịa ara. Maka na anyị erugo, o nwege ebe anyị erugo n'Igbo ebe ọ ga-abụ ndị mmadụ sigide Igbo atụnye oyibo na ya. Ọkwụ na-afụgo ihe onyonyo mere maka ndị Igbo. Isi ma anyị ngiri Igbo vidio. Ọ na-abụ anyị sụba Igbo, anyị asịgbo oyibo. Isi mmadụ bịa nọdụ a na-esi ya bịa sit here down. It's that sort of thing where we there is now this unbreakable marriage between Igbo language and English language, and it's so it's so all this equal, so it's so difficult to actually break it open like English and Igbo. Many people speak Igbo and they intertwine it with English. Now, in this scene I'm talking about, if you watch the movie Lionheart, look out for this scene, the dining room scene. It's towards the middle of the movie. So watch out for this beat. Hasuri Igbo, Mafino, Eba can nowhere because I'm not really very much. I'm not very current with my music and all that. I still play, anyway, I'm not current with my music. Anyway, never fino we with Igbo where Takashia or Ozzy nai ha Peter Edochie na nke mo. Ha totally Igbo where si akwo fotata. And ga sorogede. That's what they did to Igbo language, and that is what I want. If only I can speak Igbo like this. Bikono. And when I see Igbo to abia ka mo na gibure enyi, kan yi so Igbo, kan yi actually can no do na aka gi muta because I want to learn. That's what Supu does. That's what Supu should be doing. That's my aim, to get people speaking Igbo, and let's speak Igbo, and let's leave English aside for a bit. Leave English language aside for a bit. So bikono unu kirie Lionheart. By the way, I've not ndị me Lionheart my director they've got nothing on me. It's not, they haven't asked me to tell people to watch. I'm just saying it because I love this movie. I love this scene of the movie. It ties everything I love. Ihe niile mfọcha n'anya ma scene family, ezinụlọ, business, akọrọ, Igbo na ogenekwa ụmụ nwanyị kara aka, strong women, ogenekwa ịfụnanya, love, ogenekwa. I'm just naming the few things that I love about this scene. Nni, food, ogenekwa, ego, money. No, not that. I love money, but no. Abro, ke house, aqua, clothes, wine, women, men. These are the things that I absolutely love, and you find it in this scene. This scene has everything. Anyway, watch it, and if you guys agree with me, please let me know. Put on the comment box when you watch Lionheart. I love talking about things like this, things that inspire me, and I hope I can inspire others to see as well. I love talking about such things. Please comment at the bottom. I keep begging people to comment. Comment, say something to me, And one other thing, if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I beg, subscribe. What else do you want me to say? Subscribe, wanna comment, gwanu mwoko kanza chuno azo. Share can video, share it to your friends and family. Video. Yes, bring your family, bring your children, your kids to watch this video. I won't say anything vulgar, I promise you. What else should you do? And keep coming back to Supu. I absolutely love you. I would love to see you back again. Until then, guys, Cordon.